Hey guys, I'm just at IKEA for the first time in my life. This place is amazing. Everything around me is so lean. From the customer feedback, there's those QR codes to scan everywhere. Check out the this thing behind me here. Please leave your tray. And this conveyor takes it away round to the, I guess it goes to the kitchen. I'm pretty sure it doesn't go to a dumpster. Maybe it does. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Everything here is just super lean, super clean, super standardized, absolutely fantastic. I'll show you into the kitchen area. It is just, yeah, it's awesome. The whole experience right from the start. There's so many lessons for small businesses here to learn. Standardization, obviously a lot of training with the team. The culture here is really good. Like all the staff are super friendly and smiley and great smiles and really helpful. And everywhere you go, there's just visual standards and visual cues. Even though it's such a big place, easy to get overwhelmed, there's just so much clear, simple visual cues and standards to follow. Very, very cool. I'll try and do another couple of bits as I go through, but this is just the cafeteria or the lunch area. It's, yeah, mind-blowing. And it's a really good lesson for everyone about making sure all the small details are done well. Because if you do all the small things extraordinarily well and better than everybody else, that's how you win, that's how you make more money. It's absolutely fantastic. And so, yes, the pricing here is good, but a lot of the stuff here is still more expensive than, you know, your Kmart's or your warehouses or places like that for comparable type products. So it's not the cheapest by a long shot, but you get, I believe a lot of the products you get really good value for money. But I think what they've done really, really well here is the experience, just incredible, creating a really, really awesome experience for people who are shopping here. You feel like a guest rather than just a visitor. And yeah, I'm blown away by the whole experience. Everything's really cool. There's lots of stuff for kids as well. We didn't bring the kids today, but they cater for children and families, and yeah, absolutely fantastic. So a couple other things I wanted to point out is just like, or even the SOP right on the wall, please level your, sorry, I'm trying to read in the background. Please leave your tray here. We'll take care of the sorting, recycling and trash. And just clear visual cues and standards just makes it so easy for people to understand. Very, very cool. And even like when you're right around the cafeteria, you can see the sign up on the leave your tray here. Like everywhere you go, it's just mistake proof. It's a system for everything. It's really cool. And the bathrooms, super clean, standardized, spotless bathrooms, absolutely fantastic. Lean begins in the bathroom, as we all know. It's just so cool. Just wanted to share that with you guys, and hope you're inspired by some of this stuff. Super helpful for anyone who's trying to build a great brand, a great business. Chat soon.